In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for beginners. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Getting started with Monday.com is quite straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, you'll want to access your workspace. So simply log in to your Monday.com account. Once you're in, you'll find a very user-friendly interface that will make navigation easy. Next, let's create a new board. On the left sidebar, look for the plus icon, which you will click to initiate a new board. This is where the magic begins, as this board will serve as your workspace for organizing projects or tasks. Now, we'll use a template to save time and ensure we have a solid structure. From the drop-down menu, select the option that says Start with a Template. This feature is a real time saver, especially for beginners, as it takes you to the Template Center. In this center, you can find numerous templates designed for different needs. For our purpose, let's find a budget template. In the search bar within the Template Center, type Budget. This search will help you locate a specific template that's tailored for financial management, making it perfect for tracking your expenses. Once you've found the Budget Plan template, select it. This template comes pre-configured with relevant categories and fields that will help simplify your financial management tasks. After selecting it, click on Use Template to add it to your workspace seamlessly. Now that your board is created with the right template, it's time to customize it to better reflect your unique financial situation. Start by renaming the categories in the template so they match your specific expenses or income sources. This is crucial because personalized categories help you track your financial data more accurately. Next, you can add or delete columns as needed. For instance, you might want to include a numbers column for precise tracking of your income and expenses. Additionally, consider using a date column to keep track of payment deadlines. Customizing your board in this way will ensure it serves your needs perfectly. Another powerful feature of Monday.com is the ability to set up automations. These automations can streamline your workflow significantly. For example, you can set reminders for bill due dates or schedule weekly spending reviews. This way, you are consistently on top of your financial obligations without manual tracking. Finally, make a habit of regularly inputting your data into your board. This will not only help you track where your money is going, but will also aid in identifying potential areas for savings. Keeping your board updated will provide you with an accurate picture of your finances and help you make informed decisions. And there you have it. You now have the basics of using Monday.com to manage your budget effectively. Remember, the key to getting the most out of Monday.com is regular usage and customization. So, dive in, explore its features, and watch your financial organization skills grow. Thanks for watching, and happy budgeting.